It's my husband. He's responsible. He's very involved with the children. He davens, he learns. I guess you could say he's everything I always dreamt of in a spouse. The problem is I don't love him. I recognize he has many great qualities, but I just don't love him. I see. Tell me, how many years have you been married? About 10. How many children do you have? Thank God we have 5 children. But let me ask you, how many times did you and your husband go out last month? How many times did we go out? Yes. How many times did you go out? But I don't mean to a wedding or a bar mitzvah or to a dinner. I mean, how many times last month did you and your husband go out alone on a date, just the two of you? We didn't. Most couples are pretty good at romance during the courtship stage. And that's the love notes, the gestures, the compliments, and the calls in the middle of the day. The problem is that once they're married for a while, they stop doing the things that brought them close to each other. To maintain a relationship, you need to spend time bonding and connecting. You need to be renewing that sense of love and affection in your marriage. And a big part of that is spending time together. You don't keep that bond of love in your marriage by taking care of the household chores. And if you don't begin working on the bond and the connection, it's going to go from bad to worse, and pretty sure you're going to find yourself in different worlds.